How to remove supervision on Instagram. Here is the updated guide on how to remove supervision on Instagram, whether you are a teen looking to manage your account or a parent or guardian ready to end monitoring. First of all, simply open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once on your profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy of Instagram. Now, once inside the settings and privacy, scroll down and you will get to see Family Center option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the Family Center, so as you can see, or as you may see, that I do not have my supervision account turned on because this is my spam account. So if you have it turned on, then you will get to see turn off option available there and confirm to end monitoring. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.